The universal service weapon category of firearms was designed to bridge the gap between a handgun and a PDW, allowing shooters to retain the portability, concealability, and holsterability that make a pistol so appealing, while providing an immediately accessible option for a third point of contact, allowing shooters to make precise, consistent shots with confidence when that's what the job requires. This is accomplished with the USW's streamlined spring-assisted side-folding stock and stationary hood upon which a non-reciprocating red dot is mounted, giving shooters immediate access to the farthest reaches of a pistol caliber's effective range at a level of confidence and consistency not easily achieved with a conventional sidearm, all without having to transition to a larger format weapon system like an SMG. For professional applications, the USW is ideal for plainclothes assignments, executive protection, and low visibility operations, where even a short-barreled SMG would be too bulky or too obvious. For civilians, it's an incredibly capable home defense solution and a standout option for vehicle carry and get-home bags, where compactness and versatility are a must. USW systems are available as a complete firearm, such as the USW A1, with its integrated red dot sight and folding stock. The lineup has also expanded to include modular enhancement chassis for a variety of widely used models of service pistols as well. Unlike many aftermarket pistol chassis that attempt to convert a handgun into a makeshift PDW, USW chassis are purpose-built to enhance the capabilities of the original platform, preserving holsterability and accessibility, all while significantly expanding capability. So whether the need for a discrete defensive tool is for duty, daily life, or deployment, the USW delivers a new tier of pistol caliber performance. Concealable when needed, stable under pressure, and fast on demand.